Guys, it's MUKBANG SEKKI here. Today we're gonna be, what is this called again? Bibimyeon? Oh yeah, we're gonna eat Bibimyeon right here, boom, and some mandus. Alright, I'll take the first bite. Oh wow, you see that? Delicious. Very chewy. Not too spicy. It's a very good spicy. Okay. It's made by my boy Eric. He's not gonna get any, but it's okay. That's fine. See that? Let me tell you a tip for eating noodles. You never want to cut it with your teeth, okay? You want to swallow the whole thing, okay? So like this, you look at it, you gauge it, right? Okay? Smell it a little bit. Smells pretty good, okay? See, there's a little bit of green onion there. Got some water. Delicious. Alright, why don't we try one of these delicious looking mandus, alright? Good. Crunchy. You see that? That's a good combination right there. Okay? It's very good. Water, delicious. A necessity in life. Do I eat the whole thing? You're not gonna eat any? Alright, let's go for another bite. Okay. Oh yeah. See that? That's what I'm talking about right here. A bite of the noodles, a bite of the mandu. That's spectacular. We never let food go to waste. That's spectacular, dude. Alright, we're almost done with this. It's a little spicy actually, you know what? It's kinda creeping up on me. Water, so good. These mandus, I think it's, let me see. Oh, we got some, rice noodles in here. Some chives, some pork. Delicious. That's it right there. That's it. This is gonna be our first video. I hope it goes well. Almost done. This is the last bite. I don't know why I'm blowing because it's cold, but we'll still blow it. These mandus. They're commercial mandus, but they're good. Oh man.
Where can you get them?
At Galleria. It's pretty good. Let me show you something. This is innovation, alright? Boom. See that? Now, you thought I was done, huh? You see this water right here? I'm gonna drink it all. Alright? I could throw up. This could make me throw up. But I'm gonna do it, okay? One shot. Cheers. H2O. Hydrogen 2. 1 oxygen. Alright guys. Mukbang Sekki here, signing out. Peace.